battle for Panjshir is intensifying. We're now receiving information from the social media that seems to suggest that Panjshir is under heavy attack. There is heavy firing that's going on in the Panjshir Valley. The Panjshir Valley, of course, is the only holdout that still remains out of reach of the Taliban. The Taliban, in a sense, have surrounded it and are trying to get inside the Panjshir Valley. Now, we also know at the moment that Fahim Dashti, who was the spokesperson of the Northern Alliance and was a very key aide of Ahmad Massoud, has been killed by these forces of the Taliban. Now, there have been reports that suggest that the Taliban essentially is backed by Pakistan in its fight for the Panjshir Valley. Crispino from the Afghan desk now joins me. Good morning, Crispino. Give us more details of what you're picking up.
Well, there are several statements being put out by the Northern Alliance at this point of time as the Taliban have escalated the fight in Panjshir. Now, let's take a look at these tweets. Now, here we'll look at one such tweet put out by them saying that Panjshir is under heavy attack tonight. The valley is under fire. They attack from the ground and the air as Taliban launched fierce attacks in Panjshir. Pakistan ISI chief is in Kabul. Also, the world is watching. A tweet being put here out by the Northern Alliance saying that about Taliban being helped by the Pakistan's role in the fight in Panjshir at this point of time. I'm going to take you to another tweet as well, and this is by another commander from the Northern Resistance Forces. He goes on to say that I've got a few seconds of satellite internet. We are being bombed by Pakistani drones. We are under direct invasion of the ISI. Spread our words. Our civilians are under target. This could be my last tweet forever if you don't hear from me in some days. Hashtag stand with Panjshir. What a telling statement being put out by another Afghan commander who is holding out there in Panjshir. He goes on to say that he has a few seconds of satellite internet connectivity left and that they are being bombed by Pakistani drones. A big revelation here by the Northern Alliance. They're saying they've made a direct allegation here saying that Pakistani drones are hitting Panjshir Valley at this point of time. They are helping the Taliban. So we go to see here that Pakistan-Taliban links have been exposed. Pakistani drones attacking Panjshir at this point of time as claimed by the Northern Alliance. We're looking at the Afghan commander putting out this tweet that they are under direct invasion of the ISI. Now, ISI chief is right now in Kabul along with a delegation from Pakistan. So the world is watching Pakistan's role here in government formation in Afghanistan. And Taliban is likely to announce their new government very soon. We're looking
Absolutely.
At
just touching upon that aspect of it, Crispino, the Pakistani ISI chief, Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid, of course, is currently in Afghanistan. And, interestingly, when he touched down on Kabul, he said everything is going to be fine. Now, what does that mean?
Well, everything is going to be fine, which means that they will, in fact, unite everybody. But that's not going to be. That is very unlikely. By using force does not mean uniting everybody in Afghanistan and having an inclusive government, because the fighters in Panjshir are still holding out. Northern Alliance is still opposing Taliban rule. They have reached out saying that yes, we want peace talks, but on our terms. So having an inclusive government is going to be a very tough task for Pakistan at this point of time, as they're hoping that an inclusive government is formed in Afghanistan. They want to show the world that they can achieve peace in Afghanistan, but that is so unlikely here, because if you go by the statements being put out by Northern Alliance at this point of time, we're looking at Pakistan drones attacking Panjshir. So we're going to get the clarity very soon of the damages in Panjshir right now. But we're going to give our viewers all the latest updates from Panjshir Valley, because the tweets coming in from the Northern Alliance commanders are just so telling here. And I'd like to put out one more tweet.
Absolutely, Crispino, as you're pointing out, we will continue to bring all the latest from the Panjshir Valley. Thank you for the moment.